In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hard reset the Celero 5G Boost mobile phone. If your Celero 5G phone got virus in it and running very slow, or you forgot the screen lock, then this is the right video to watch. Before hard resetting the phone, you should keep two important things in your mind. The first one is that if you have any data inside the phone which you want to keep, transfer it to another device, otherwise you will lose it. And the other thing is regarding your Gmail account signed in this phone. If you don't know the password of it, then it will be better to remove it from your phone before to go for the hard reset, because after hard resetting your phone is going to ask the password of that Gmail which you don't remember. Another thing, if you don't know the screen password, then you can't transfer the data to another device because you don't have access to your phone. And now you should know the Gmail and its password, because after hard resetting your phone is going to ask for it. So it's a short video. Stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's do the hard resetting of the Celero 5G. It has a screen lock on it and I don't remember its password. So to do the hard resetting, the phone should be completely turned off. Power off. So wait until the phone is off completely. So now in first step, we need to press and hold the volume down and power key together. Let's do it. So volume down and power key together until you see fast boot mode. Now you release the volume down and press the volume up while keep pressing the power key. You're gonna see the Celero 5G written on the screen. Once you see that, you should release the power key and keep holding the volume up until you see the injured Android logo right here. Now it's no command. So the second thing, now we need to press and hold the power key and press volume up key only one time. Press and hold power key and volume up one time. So now we are in the recovery mode. So now use the volume down key for navigation and look for wipe data or factory reset. To select that, press power button one time. Just asking you if you want to cancel the hard resetting. If you want to go for factory data reset, use volume down and power key to select this option. So now wipe data is completed. Now we just have to reboot system. Press power key one time. So need to wait until it finishes the initial setup. So that's all. Hard reset is completed. This screen password is removed already. So this was the hard resetting of Celero 5G. If you feel this video informative for you, then please hit the share and like button. And if you want to watch more videos from this channel in future, please subscribe this channel. So until then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.